This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Patricia Hughes. Must have 24-hour notice for renters. Great low maintenance, all one-level home. Convenient to shopping and interstate. Split bedrooms, private backyard. For more information, review the details below or contact Patricia Hughes at 865-687-1111.